Now think a little bit deeper here. For C, what if I asked you to determine C so that f of C is equal to 100? What am I asking you to do?
And subtract.
Okay, you're thinking about algebraically what you're supposed to do, but in terms of the function, what am I asking you to do? Determine C so that f of C equals 100. What does that mean?
100 degrees Fahrenheit.
In Celsius? Okay, that's one way of saying it. What is 100 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius? Is that what you were trying to say?
Kind of.
Maybe not. What were you trying to say?
Fahrenheit is 100 degrees. Or they gave half a number.
Yeah, they gave F. Now you have to find C, right? What number? Basically what they're asking is, what number could I put in for C? What number could I put in for C here that would give me 100 for F? That's what this means. What value of C could I input to get an output of 100? So this time in the equation, f of C equals 1.8C plus 3.2, I replace f of C with 100. And I want to figure out what value of C would give me 100 for f. Okay? So I put in 100 for f this time. And now I solve for C. So this is a test to see if grade 8 or grade 9 algebra was effective. How do I solve this equation?
Get the variable by itself.
Variable by itself, so what do I need to do? Change sides, change signs. So I bring the 3.2 over. And when I do that, it changes its sign to a negative. 100 minus 3.2 is 96.8. Is that right?
Yes.
And then, what do I do now?
Divide.
Divide out the 1.8. Right? Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So divide both sides by 1.8. C equals what?
53.7.
53.7 degrees Celsius. Right? So what this is saying is, all right, when we input 53.7 for C in our function, out pops 100. Make sense? Okay. Could you do D, which says find C so that f of C equals 203. Give that a try. Alright, so let's solve this. What we're doing is we're taking f of C equals 1.8C plus 3.2. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And what are we replacing with 203? F. Okay, or f of C. Right, so I put in 203 for f equals 1.8C plus 3.2. What's my next step? Change sides, change signs. So I bring over the 3.2. 203 minus 3.2 equals 1.8C. That gives me 199.8. Divide by 1.8, and we should get for C 111 degrees Celsius. How many got that? How many showed the correct algebra and didn't just write a bunch of random calculations until you had the end? Good. Okay? Very, very important that you know how to, you can understand the algebra. Okay? That's very important. Alright? Because your equations will get hairier, and if your algebra is not up to snuff, you'll feel overwhelmed. Okay? So I'm stressing that now so that in either months later or years later, you're not yelling and throwing your textbooks because you're not understanding what this means. Because I've seen that happen.